So everybody, my name is Amboy and welcome to Amboy Free Time, and it's a long old channel, like it's very long time. Um I'm just gonna talk to the old viewers right now and thank you for supporting me. Like I'm already making good content in a new channel already. I'm not gonna say the true name of the new channel anyways, and I'm gonna say it again. It's a lot of story that I'm already aged already. Like I'm 20, I'm going to 21 already, and I'm in college. I'm going to third year. Wow, it's a long time. I'm gonna go back to my language instead. Like I'm still fixing my language on the new channel anyways, and let's go back to my language anyways and go. Kamusta kayo dyan? Like, hindi talaga ako bumago. Like, hindi, bumago rin ako. Bumago ako. Like, naging adult lang tayo at umalis ako dito sa channel na to. Gumawa akong bagong channel. Overall, masayang bagong channel ha. Tumataas siya. Tumataas na talaga siya. Dahil dito sa old na channel na to, madaming skills akong nagawa para gawin yung bagong channel. Dahil dun, naging more higher up ako sa mga editing, good quality videos. It's amazing. You can find the channel anyways. It's a one video that I comment on one of the videos that I made long ago in this channel. And kaya nyo hanapin yun. You can find it. For me, dahil sa old na channel na to, madaming stories nagawa, masaya. I wish di ako mamatay na hindi magawa yung mga goals ko. My goal is maka content creator lamang ako. Gusto ko maging good content creator. Makaprovide ako sa parents kong pera, good quality na home. Yun ang feeling na feel ko. Madami pa akong naisipan eh. Matanda na ako, taba-taba yun eh. But masaya rin ako na dahil dito sa channel na to, binigyan na ako ng hope. Alam ko nag-quit ako eh. Nag-quit ako dahil feeling ko na nahihiya ako and like nahihiya ako sa mga tao na oh my god, si Amboy Storm oh, tsaka ito ganyan. But for myself, it's fine. It's a lot of people actually in game na saying my new channel, like it's so ordinary, like so much people respecting me. It's amazing. But thank you for doing this to me. Like because of this channel, I wouldn't be content creator. Like, I'm just gonna go react to an old video anyways, and next time I still have low budget items. I just have a phone, but I still have the heart to make videos. Yeah, yeah man, sarap maging player. Still not playing Minecraft anymore. I don't know. I don't know. Thank you for providing me everything. Thank you, YouTube, for everything. I'm still using this channel to upload college things, but I'm still going to upload the future on this channel. If I want to, I can make a a vlog channel on this channel. Anyways, I can change that. We can make a vlog channel on this channel. Yeah, yeah. That's. I don't care. Let it flow. Thank you for watching, and thank you everyone for believing on me. Goodbye. I feel we're gonna meet again on the future. Bye everyone. Stay safe and be okay. Please. I'm still a good content creator, and I always become a good content creator. Goodbye. What's up, buddy? My name is Saif. Almost